Number 9 is often feared, but number 9 is the humanitarian. Number 9 is a number that gives you confidence. Number 9 is someone who holds so much loyalty to their loved ones and to their dear ones that they will not ever break your trust. Well, number 9 also goes through some rough times. About to share remedies for those born on 9th, 18th and 27th of any given month, or those who have the impact of planet Mars, called Mangal in Hindi. What can they do? Stay with me. Hi everyone, this is Jaya Karamchandani and welcome to Invincible Bharshan Talk Show. As promised in this series on remedies, I'm beginning with remedy on number 9. So if you're born on 9th, 18th and 27th of any given month, you rule by number 9 of planet Mars. Many of you may not know your actual date of birth or your actual astroscript. Your horoscope may say that you have some problems related to planet Mars, or people may have put the fear or instilled the fear in your mind that Mars is going to create problems in your life. Well, few things I'm about to share. Number 9 has a lot of energy. Think of fire. Number 9 has a lot of energy, and that fire and anxiety, they are ready to do action. They can't sit idle. So number 9 needs to channel and harness those energies. If it has the positive blend, then you will see that energy turns into goal setting. They want to do something. They want to get things done. The confidence, the passion. But if there is a phase, they feel that number 9, they are going through a lot of temper tantrums or anger and anxiety, anger issues. They're not able to control their temper. They're throwing a fit. They're suddenly increased interest towards non-veg food or the alcohol. Or they see the issues related at work or home. Or number 9, or those who have planet Mars issue, suddenly you notice you have a lot of accidents. That either you're getting the head injury, the forehead or the ears, or the reproductive issues, the infections. So it is also a sign that this is just a phase where Mars is creating some issues. Now you may have gone through folks who you believe or who recommended you stones, which I normally avoid, because unless you know that person who's recommending you stones is really well versed in this knowledge of astrology, numerology or even vastu, you may wear that stone, but you notice that the problem's aggravated, or suddenly the issues that were not there, the issues began. So you need to be sure. But there are ways where you can, the negative energies of number 9, you can take it away from yourself. In the end, the planets have this energy that reaches your body and it creates issues. So the other way is donation, called daan in Hindi. Now, one rule for donation or daan is never give money. You may give the money with good intention to a temple or the charitable organization or the church or the mosque. But if that money was used for drinking or doing anything else other than what your intention was, so you cannot absolve yourself from that karmic debt. It was your money that was utilized to do some wrongdoing. So keep in mind, unless you're 100% sure what that money has been put to use, what you can do is donate items related to Mars or number 9, like red items. The red lentils, called masoor dal in Hindi, you can donate that and try to spend $10 to $20 or 50 rupees on it. Donate a bag of unopened this lentils, red lentils, to temple, church, mosque where you know they run a kitchen, or any other organization where they run a kitchen and serve the poor and the needy. You can donate those lentils. Now, whenever you are donating, make sure you start on the dedicated day. Like for Mars or number 9, the day is Tuesday. So you start on a Tuesday and continue this for 18 Tuesdays. Donate this red lentil religiously, or any red items, because then if that Mars energy is creating issues to you, when you donate, those energies go away from you and that turns into positivity. Another thing, before I share here, and just want to remind you, the bonus tip is at the end, which is usually a part of my consulting, but here I'm about to share, and with the intention that it will help you, and may God help you with that. go ahead and do give us a like and subscribe to our channel, become a part of Invincible family. But I would highly request, if you're enjoying this content and if you want to bring this goodness in others' life, please do share this episode as well. Now, number 9, the other thing you can do is, if you, due to COVID, you're not sure where is the temple or the church or the charity event is going on, or where the food you can provide, what you can do is you can chant the mantra. Now, about mantra, 2 things I want to share. If you're not sure in your actual horoscope or the astroscript or your date of birth, your Mars is giving you negative or positive effects, or you don't even believe in this, but you have observed that recently accidents have increased in your life, or you got the head injury, or there was a blood loss, or you have reproductive organs issues going on, or if you're number 9, born on 9th, 18th and 27, you have issues at workplace or in your life, the anger issues or anxiety or lack of confidence or any other issues, then during that phase, you start chanting this mantra. Now, why this mantra is not going to harm you? Because this mantra is related to that planet. And Brahmaji made these planets promise that irrespective whether they are placed favorably in your astral script or negatively, they will not harm you. So anyone who chants their mantras, they are blessed with the positive results. So the mantra for Mars or the planet Mangal or number 9, when you face issues, you have to start on Tuesday and you have to continue chanting this mantra 108 times for 45 days. And the mantra is Om Ang Angarkai Namah. Om Ang Angarkai Namah. Now, how do you chant? You have to chant in the daytime, before the afternoon, before the 12 p.m. You can chant while cooking, walking, anywhere. You can chant loudly so others hear, or you can chant silently inside you. You will get the same results. But preferably, if you can light a lamp or a diya and then chant, that is considered better. But given your busy lifestyle or whatever you are doing, with the intention before you chant that I'm chanting this to get the benefits, to get the blessings of Mars, Lord Mars, and then chant, you will still get the same results. But let's say if you forgot a day, then next day you chant 108 times twice. The rule is consistency, and the consistently for 45 days. Om Ang Angarkai Namah. Now, the intention here on Invincible Family has always been that anything I share, may it help you. And I have always promised you repeatedly here that I will never share anything that's going to harm you. Stones, yes, I do not recommend, because if you're not sure who's recommending you, it can create havoc instead of the help. Donations, yes, unless you know the person is not going to misuse your money, you should donate the items related to that number or planet. Chanting absolutely is not going to cost you anything. Plus, it has your energies and intentions, and a promise from Brahmaji is not going to harm you. Whenever you put your energies, like making the food that you want to enjoy, it has its own amazing, beautiful flavors. The mantras could be tantric and Vedic also. This is a Vedic mantra. It's the same way harmless, just like when you are sick, you just warm up the milk, add a little turmeric. It takes away your inflammation, the fever, the cold and the body ache. It doesn't do any harm. The same way. Yes, again, unless your milk doesn't suit you, then you'll be careful. But in case of mantras, it suits. 45 days for Mars starting on Tuesday. Now the bonus tip. Usually this is part of my consultancy, but you are Invincible Family and I have always shared something with the same intention so that it helps you. It's known for Mars that they go through the knife in the life absolutely at least once. What it means is knife is the surgery or the doctor or the hospital. Number 9 is energy, the fire. They are very loyal. They are humanitarian. Their blend of mind is. But if it's Mars is giving trouble, then it will be in anger. If it's strong, it will be passion, the confidence. So to absolve that Mars-related issues of hospitalization or the blood loss or surgery, the best part is, if you feel you have troubles going on related to Mars, then just quietly, without telling anyone, visit a hospital. Now you may say, that's not a place to visit. Well, Do you want to visit when you are sick, or do you want to visit? That's what the planet Mars indicates, when you are healthy. So that box is checked, you visited the hospital. Second, when you're hospitalized, you got to eat something there. Hospital food. So when you have Mars issues, try to just go once in a month for a couple months. As long you have issues, you will see good results then. Just order something in the hospital cafeteria. Both boxes will be checked. So the results, you will not go through that accident or the surgery, the blood loss, but you still went to a hospital, you still had hospital food, and you are chanting this. During COVID, it's tough, but chanting you can do. But that is a bonus tip that I shared, and this is, I would say, it does amazing things. As part of Invincible Family, I want all of us to grow. If you want your friends and family to benefit from this, please do share and give me your likes and what was your favorite part today. But before I say bye here, the next week, I'm going to share that one thing that absolutely makes you successful. What is that? Well, you got to watch next week's episode. Take care.